Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all you are doing well. Today's topic is for loop in Angular, and basically we are using for of loop in Angular, and on behalf of for of loop I'm going to discuss some points like definition of loop, for loop and definition sorry syntax of for loop and for syntax of for loop is further divided in two types, like first one is a short hand form and another one is a long form, which is a expanded version of a shorthand form. And after that I'm going to show you some example uh, execution with array and object. And after that I'm going to show object data in table, and at last I'm going to discuss some interview question based on for of loop. So let's see first definition of a for of loop. Like the ng for loop is a structural directive. It iterates access element of an array, list or tuple collection. The for of loop returns elements from collection, example array, list and or tuple. The content written in a red color. This is a syntax of a for of loop, and this kind of syntax comes under shorthand form of for loop of loop. Here let is a keyword and value is a variable name, and of is a type of a for of loop, and collection is a property on your component which holds a collection, usually an array but anything that can be iterated. Let's check example for this one. Like I will create one array like this one, and now I am going to create one div, and in starting tag of div I'm going to use that ng for loop shorthand syntax, like which is star ng form. Here I will write let, you can write variable name whichever you want to write, but as of now I'm writing key variable name, and after that of, and here I have to write collection which is array present inside our ts file, and inside it I will use element like h2, and here I will use string interpolation syntax for getting the value from ts file. Like I have to pass this variable name inside string interpolation and save it. Let's check the output for the code. Mm, as of now it's not working. Sorry, actually it should be ng4 not ng form. Now save it and you can check it's working correctly. This is a simple example of a shorthand form of ng4 of loop, and now uh, I'm going to show the syntax of expanded version of a shorthand form. Like the shorthand form expands into long form that uses the ng4 of selector on an ng template element, and the content of the ng template element is the li element that held the short form directive. Here is the expanded version of a short form example, and this is the syntax of a long form. For long achieving long form syntax, I have to write ng template, and in the starting tag I have to write ng4 and let, after that variable name should be like val, and here I have to use property binding syntax like ng4 of, and here I have to assign a collection name which is array, and after that inside this template I will write element like h2, and here I can use property binding syntax sorry, string interpolation syntax like this one, and write here val, and let's check the output for the code. You can see I'm able to achieve the output or solution with the syntax of expanded version of a shorthand form. And if I want to, like, here I can also set index like let i's variable name equal to index. Okay, and save it. Now here I can write something like if, sorry, should be written inside element span and star and if equal to, if I equal to means index value is equal to 2, then write hello. Let's check the output. You can see after the index value number 2, I'm able to get print the value with ng if and statement using index value. This similarly can be used inside our shorthand property. Like here I have to use semicolon and let sorry, here I have to write index as 1, and here I will use this pen again. From here I will copy, paste it here. Instead I have to write 1 and save it. You can see I'm able to get output again according to the conditions. Now I'm going to show you the execution part with object, because with the help of array I have shown you. For that I have to create a JSON object which is shown like on my screen. You can see this is a JSON objects. Now I'm going to show these object with the help of shorthand form. Like like here I have to write, instead array I have to write collection name is person, and remove this code also. And here I have to give the key of the object, like which key. Here key is name, and one key is name and another key is age. Key dot name, okay, and another key is mm, age. You can see we are able to get the data. If I simply print here like one more time only key, then we are able to see only object, because we can't print object directly. We have to print object values. So I will remove this, and I will make this presentation good with the help of inserting the values inside the table. Like here I have to write tr, inside it should be th, and here I have to write name, age, and I have to create one more tr for the fetching values from ts file. Like here I have to this tr starting tag, I have to write this ng4 of loop, and inside it I can write td, and I will copy from here and paste it here. Let's check the output. Now you can see the data is coming in the form of table, but now I will apply here bootstrap class table. Now you can check on my screen, the data representation is in good manner. Now if you decrease the sign, it will adjust according to the screen size. And at last, uh, uh, the topic is interview questions based on ng4 of loop. Like first question will be like define for of it should be, sorry, it should be define the for of loop and its syntax. After that, difference between shorthand form and long form of a for loop, and last is a difference between for of loop and for in loop. For the third question, I'm going to give some example in you in next tutorial. So, and if you like this video, then guys please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thanks and have a nice day.